Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can set your camera to the most efficient, or to, I guess, like the higher quality one if I'm not mistaken, like the high efficiency one. So you're just going to go to settings, which I'm already on settings anyways. And then I'm just gonna scroll down until I find camera, but if you can't find it straight away and you're just too lazy, you're just going to scroll up and you're just going to search camera. And as you can see, the camera button is right here. You're just going to select it. There we go. So to set it to either high efficiency or the other one, I don't remember what it's called. You're going to go to formats, I think. Oh, it's most compatible. So I am on the most compatible one because I don't know why. I just use it, I guess. But to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency, you're going to want to do that. Most compatible will always use JPEG, I don't know what that's called, but 4K at 60 frames per second. So if you want your, I guess, quality to be better, you are going to use the most compatible one, but it will take up space because it's a little bit higher in quality. But if you want to save up your storage and have it, I guess, in a less good quality, I don't know if that even made sense. But if you want to have it in a less good quality, I'm still saying the same. You're going to select high efficiency, just select whichever one you want here. I personally don't see that much of a difference. Like, I just think my phone isn't the best at taking pictures. But once you're done, you're going to just go back and it's just going to automatically save to your settings. So yeah, that is how you can change your camera settings to either high efficiency or most compatible. Again, for the most compatible, it's going to take up more space than the high efficiency, but it's going to give you a better quality at taking pictures on your iPhone. So I suggest, if you don't have enough storage, either iCloud of course, but you can just select the, which one is the high efficiency one, sorry. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you in changing your camera format on iPhone. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.